I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Capcut with your timeline ready. Position the playhead where the voiceover must start so you don't trim later. Tap the Audio tab, then record to choose your input device. This ensures clarity and avoids re-recording. Make sure your microphone gain is reasonable, not peaking red, and disable noise sources. Once done, press the record button and speak naturally into the mic, keeping consistent distance so your levels stay even across takes. You'll record several focus takes to capture the best phrasing. This gives you edit points without redoing everything. After recording, trim the clip edges, split to remove mistakes, and use crossfades for seamless joins. If volume varies, normalize or manually adjust gain so dialogue sits above background music. Make sure to lock video layers if you need to move voiceovers independently. This prevents accidental timeline shifts while fine-tuning timing relative to visuals. Finalize by balancing voiceover levels against music and effects. Use volume automation or the ducking feature so speech remains clear across scenes. Export a short test clip and listen on phone and laptop to confirm consistency. If you find sync drift or pops, nudge the clip by a few frames, apply a tiny fade, or re-record the problematic line. If recording fails, check app permissions for microphone and reboot Capcut.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.